Factor x to the fourth minus 13x squared plus 36. The first thing we always look for in a factoring problem is a common factor. However, on this question, these have nothing in common. X to the fourth has no numbers, and 36 has no x's, so there is no common factor. Next up, we see how many terms there are. And since this has 3 terms, we're not going to use one of those special formulas like the difference of squares or sum of difference of cubes. So that means we're going to go right to 2 binomials, 2 sets of parentheses. To get an x to the fourth, this would come from x squared times x squared. Then we're going to look for 2 numbers whose product is 36, so these multiply to 36, and whose sum, they add up to negative 13. So 36, this could be 1 times 36, or 2 times 18, or 3 times 12, 4 times 9. 5 doesn't go into 36 evenly, but 6 does, so 6 times 6. So these are the combinations of numbers that will multiply to give us 36. Let's add them together to see what the sum is. So 1 plus 36 is 37, 2 plus 18 is 20, 3 plus 12 is 15, 4 plus 9 is 13, 6 plus 6 is 12. We're looking for a pair that adds up to negative 13. So 4 and 9, they multiply to the right number, but not the right sign. That just means we have the right numbers, but the wrong sign. Negative 4 times negative 9 will still give us positive 36. However, negative 4 plus negative 9 is negative 13. So the numbers we're looking for are minus 4 and minus 9. Okay, now because we still have squares, there's a chance we can factor this further. X squared minus 4, this has 2 terms. This looks like a difference of squares. So we can write this as the product of 2 binomials. X squared being x times x. 4 is 2 times 2. And because we have a difference of squares, I know these must be different signs. X squared minus 9, we're going to use the same strategy. I'm going to write this as 2 binomials. X squared is x times x. 9 is 3 times 3. And because this is a difference of squares, we know we have 2 different signs. And now this is factored completely.